What's up, guys? Welcome back. I know I was supposed to upload last week. For those who follow me on social media, I know I had posted something on there about uploading last week, but my GoPro wanted to act up and didn't record the first half of the video that I had planned. I worked on putting the front end suspensions for both sides of the vehicle last week, and I also got to put the big brake kit on. So today we're going to do the chase bay delete, brake booster delete, and then I'm going to put the other half of whatever recorded last week on this video on how I installed the big brake kit. So stay tuned, and yeah. Alright, so where I left off was so same video, new day. Ran out of time yesterday, so I didn't have a time to continue recording. But where I left off yesterday, I want to go ahead and put just to fit up the brake rotor, as you can see. But the main star of the whole fender liner, fender well, is these bad boys right here. I've been so excited to install these. I got them off of DC5 Creations. I'll add a link to the website on my description. I looked up when I bought these. I looked them up for a cheap, straightforward, cheap big brake kit. You could spend thousands of dollars, but again, this car is not a race car. It will never be one. I'm just doing this build for more like for my wishes, I guess you'd call it. I don't know how to word it, but it's more for like I wanted a turbo build, never had one, so went with it. Wanted a big brake kit, never had one, so I went with it. This is like the most cheapest route that I went with. These are not the Endless brand or anything like that. If I'm corrected on their website, it says these came off of a Type S, machined to fit directly bolted on to the S2000 chassis. So these are direct bolt on, no fabrication, no nothing. You just straight bolt on. You can get them in different colors. I just went with the regular red, powder coated. You can buy them with or without the brake pads. I bought them with the brake pads. We'll put that on too. But I like how they're beefy. They're beefy now. They already ported their. I'm pretty sure if I read the description right on their website, they take them all apart, new seals, new everything, so they can powder coat it. But like I said, it's directly bolt on. And if you do end up getting for the S2000, he gives you everything you need for direct bolt on. You don't need the bracket from the old caliber, none of that stuff. You don't need to weld, you don't need to do anything. You do need to run these spacers to be able to center the brake rotor correctly on the caliber, because if you don't run these spacers, the rotor is not sitting straight directly on the center. But he gives you these spacers so you can put them on. From what I read, and from he also has a video on it on his YouTube. So if you just add these spacers, just one, it pushes the rotor out to sit right on the middle of the caliber. So we're gonna go ahead and put this on, bolt the caliber on, and I cannot wait to show you because I am excited. I bought the calibers and I was like, man, I cannot wait to get this on. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the rotor off again, put the spacer on, bolt it up, and I will show you when it gets done. Alrighty, so as you can see, I got it connected. We'll bolt it up. What you do have to do is that I didn't know until I was trying to bolt it on, is if you have the stock dust cover in the back, you do have to trim it so it can sit pretty flush. I don't know if you can see it here. Anyways, you have to trim this up a little bit. You can take it off. I like the dust cover on it. Protect a lot of the brake pad dust from getting everywhere or splashing on this way. But you can take it off if you don't have them. That's fine. Even better for you. You don't have to trim it. But I use my my stock line, and it bolts up directly to it. Like I said, no modifications, just the 2 bolts. It does have 2 different sizes of bolts. I don't know if that was intentional or not, but I just ran with what he gave me. So I think the bottom is 17 and the top one is I think it's 15. So if you end up running these kits, just make sure you put the 15 on top and the 17 on bottom. So part of the video that I left off last week was I installed pretty much, I went ahead and installed pretty much the new bushings, the upper control arm bushings, the lower control arm bushings as well. Went ahead and put the coilovers in, tie up the brake lines. I just got the tie rods for the axles, the CV axles, or the whatever that says, the power steering rack. Gotta put those in. Probably do it off of camera though. But the big upgrade, as you can see, boom, got the big brake kit on. I'm, like I said, at the end of the video, towards the end of the video, I'm gonna upload the other half of the video I did record. I'm gonna end up putting in there the install for this, but let me tell you, this thing is beefy. The install was fairly easy. On the video I will show you that you do have to trim, if you end up getting this kit for your S2000, you do have to trim a little bit of the dust cover, but it's not too much, it's not too bad. If you don't have the dust cover, then you're perfectly fine, but I had to trim a little bit off right here so it could bolt on directly to the existing bolts. So that's what I got there. Got the new it comes with a new crush washers, copper crush washers, so you make sure you put those in. If you have the stainless steel, even better. I just went with whatever the stock I had, the rubber lines. But install wise, I rated about a 9.5. The only issue is I had to trim a little bit of the dustpan, but that minimum work. So definitely an easy install. So if you buy that from the DC5 Creations, it comes directly bolt on, comes with everything you need, comes with extra parts, like as in the crush washer. I wasn't expecting those, so you can switch them out. Now if you order the brake pads, it comes with the brake pads, the pins, the hardware, everything for you to mount it completely up. All you have to do is brake bleed it, and that's it. So, but what I have planned today, what we have planned today, is just a little quick install. I'm not gonna bore you too much with it. We're gonna be installing the Willywood. Well, I don't know if it's Willy. Well, yeah, it is Willywood. Brake Master with chasebays brake booster delete on the back end, and I forgot what this is called, diverter valve, I think that's what it's called, if I'm not mistaken. Correct me if I'm wrong. I probably won't put this on today. I gotta see where I want it and where the line comes in, where I can mount the line at. But I think we could go ahead and bolt up the main chunk of this. Now I'm not 100% sure if I have to bench bleed it yet, but we'll see. If I'll do some research on it, and if I do end up having to bench bleed it, I guess I could take it off and redo it again. But nonetheless, we're gonna go ahead and do that today, so stay tuned. All right, so I was looking on their website. I don't think I have to bench bleed it, So with that being said, we're gonna go ahead, and I can also found a way you can mount this, and I figured out what it's called too. It's called a bias valve. I'm not saying that correctly, I don't know, but regardless, it's gonna get mounted right here below this, and it should work 100%. Just gonna tighten this up, and then this little line gets routed like that. If I'm not mistaken, it goes like something like that. We'll figure it out. So put you on a first person view maybe, yeah. And we're gonna go ahead and go from that. So stay tuned. Anyways, we got that done. Thank you for watching. It's gonna be a combination of both videos, the brake calipers and the brake booster. So if you see me look for different things, if you see the brake booster not in the first clips, then you know why. But anyways, thank you for watching. Thank you for the 22 subscribers. I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. I know that something that can be a little bit boring, but I hope it entertains you some kind of way. Thank you for watching again. Like, comment, subscribe. We're pushing along. I'm gonna try to get back on the schedule of Wednesdays this week. If not next week, I'll probably be off 2 weeks. I got some stuff going on vacation, so I probably won't be working on this. But anywho, thank you for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.